So hello friends, today we are going to see how can we do the cashless entry, means insurance patient entry into the PathoGold Cloud. So watch this video, how to enter the insurance patient. So this is the demo for this, and how to do this you will get an idea. So to do insurance patient, you have to define the go to the control panel and define your source. So how do you define? You go to define rate types. In the define rate type, there is a source button is there. You define the source. Okay. Let's say there are so many insurance companies here, but I'll enter some new insurance company. Let's take an example. The source can be anything, means from where you are getting the patient. Okay. That is called as source. Means you will put the bill to them. At the end of the month, you will give the bill that, okay, you have received the patient. So source can be an insurance company, it can be a company, it can be a lab, it can be any hospital from where you are getting the constant samples from them and you are processing for them. Okay, so you are going to create a source. Okay, so let's say I'll create a source called as Max Bupa Insurance. Okay, this is my source. Save rates. So here the name of the source you have to create. This is the name. Max Bupa Insurance has come. Okay. Now you have to create the rate list for the Max Bupa Insurance. Okay. So what is your rate list? You go here to control panel and you go to the copy rates option. Copy rates option. Okay. Okay. And see the collection rate to source rate is this. So your collection means your lab is also a collection center. Okay. So collection rate to source rate. So this is your lab rate list. Okay, whatever the lab rate list will come. And here you select the, see, Max Bupa. Okay, now how you give to the Max Bupa. Okay, how much percentage you give, or you want to add something, or you want to delete. Here is the options. Okay, so if you say you want to give at 50%, okay, then you can say percentage, or you want to give at 70% to Max Bupa. Okay, that means whatever the your charges are there, you are giving the higher charges or lower it depends on your condition. Okay, so let's say you give whatever your charges are there, of your charges you give the 70% charges to the Max Bupa. So like that. Okay, here you type the 70. Okay, or if you think your charges are more to the Max Bupa, then you have to increase the percentage. Okay, like that you can have the various operators. Suppose if you use this operator like plus, then what are your charges? Plus 70 will be added to that. Okay, like that. If you say minus, if you say multiply, if you say divide, if you say percentage. Okay, so I say whatever my charges are there, 70% of my charges will go to the Max Bupa. Okay, means the list. Right now I'm making a list for the Max Bupa. Okay, say submit. Data operation done successfully. Now let's say Max Bupa rate list has been created. How do you see the Max Bupa rate list? You go to the control panel and you go to the test rate entry. Okay, in the test rate entry you can see the Max Bupa rate list. See, here is the Max Bupa. See, Max Bupa rate list. Okay, and if you don't select anything, just say display rate. If you want to go with the department, you can select the department by this, or if you want all this thing, you can say display rate, and it will show you all the rates. See, whatever rates are there, it will automatically come. To make it very easy, I'll just select the department called as hematology and display rate, and I'll see that CBC 11 is 350. Okay, so that means CBC 11, what is our original rate, we will see, and then we will see 350 has come. Okay, I'll show you how it has come. CBC 11 for the our own center, how much is CBC 11, we will come to know. See, okay, display rate. See, for us CBC 11 is 500. So 500 we have given the 70% less, means 70%. So our charges are 500. So in 70%, 350 is applied to max bupa. So you have understood how the calculations are made. Okay. So look at this. Max bupa is this. CBC 11. See, it's 350. So 70% of 500 is 350 has come to maximum. Now, if you think, now you can change it manually. Okay, so now once this is done, if you want to change it, you manually change anything, whatever you want to change. Okay, and simply say save button. Once it is saved, the max bupa rate list is ready. Okay, now let's take an example. How are you going to take the patient by the max bupa? To take the patient by the max bupa, while you register the patient, you go here. Okay, and you select the name, whatever the name is there. Okay, I selected the name. Okay, and now here the source. So first you have to select the source because this patient has come from this source now. Okay, if you directly go here and without this thing, then your original rate will come. But if you select here first, then the max bupa rate list will come. Okay, now let's take an example. This person has come from max bupa, and then I will say CBC 11. So I will get 350 now. See, it has come. Okay, so now 350. Now you just save it. Okay, and look at this. There is no submit and bill button here. This is just a submit because you are going to get the money from the max bupa now. Okay, so submit it. Okay, now your patient is submitted. Now how do you generate the max bupa bill at end of the month? You go to the account section and you see here just a minute, I'll show you. Generating, it's here. Oh, it's down. See, this is generate invoice source. This button is there. Okay, so you click on this button and generate the invoice for the max bupa. Okay, now select the month, which month is there. So right now month is May. Okay, sorry, June. Okay, because this is right now you want to generate for the June, and select the client max bupa insurance, and that's it. And search and report. Click on the report button and you will get it. That bill will come. See, this is the bill you will give to the max bupa to receive their payment. Okay, so this is a complete cashless. The bill is directly taken from max bupa, and this is the way you can handle the insurance patient or any patient, insurance patient or a third party patient. Whatever is coming in the source, you can get like this. So I hope you have understood this concept and you can use it for the bringing patient from the another source and processing them and sending them the bill at end of the month. Thank you very much.